Dude, this clay barn deal, pretty bad, eh? Alright guys, welcome back. Last summer, when Frankie was getting painted, there are two vehicles that kind of took some neglect on my part, and it was this one and the 8.9. What I mean by neglect is I neglected to put stuff on top of these cars while I was painting, primer, sand, all that stuff. And these two vehicles, they took all of the brunt. Mostly the 8.9, but this definitely, I mean, you can hear it, that there's a little overspray on it. It does look pretty dang good for having overspray on it, I will say that. But we're gonna go over it today, see if we can't get rid of all that. The sides aren't that bad, it's mostly the hood. I did wash this last night. Got her cleaned up pretty good overall. But, I mean, you can feel it like right here, and then it goes slick. Luckily, it looks like it'll just be kind of overcast today. We are not expecting rain, last I looked anyway. Let's get the stuff out. I'm probably just going to do some before and after on this thing because I really want to clay bar the 8.9. I'm not going to clay bar this. I'm just going to go over this with some wax and see how it turns out. It's started to rain on me, so I went over the Escape with several different things. In fact, I think I got it all sitting right here. I use this, and by golly, it does work very well. However, I thought that was just a little bit too harsh for the paint. What else did I have? I had a couple 3M products out too. This was by far doing the best job though. Then my wife wanted to go over to Home Depot and get some stuff for the flower beds. While I was there, I saw this sitting there. I'm not gonna clay bar this. For 22 bucks, figured what the heck, I'll give it a whirl. And I've just done the hood and it's already taken quite a bit off after I've already done some other treatment to it already. But this kit comes with this, which is to help it glide. 3 bars of clay. I've only broke into about half of one of them. Came with this too. It also came with this microfiber towel to wipe it back off. I did not use that though. I used one that I already had open. And anyway, it's raining on it already, but I mean, it's nice and smooth. Mind you, I've already gone over this side. I'm hoping that you can hear that. I've gone over that with 3 different products, and now I just come with this, with the clay bar, and it's smooth as silk. So the rest of the thing's gonna get clay barred. It's supposed to rain for about 2 hours, and hopefully I can come back out and finish it up. But dude, this clay barn deal, pretty bad, eh? Eh?
One pair of pants later.
Alright, so it turned out pretty dang good overall. But now it's time. I'm hoping that I can get this thing cleaned, because I'm just sick to death of looking at how dirty it is. I got a lot of stuff I got to move out from under it. It's kind of got some things that got to get moved, and hook the battery back up, and we'll get her out there and clean on it.
6.5 hours later.
Well, she's washed, and I don't know if my camera's gonna pick this up or not, because it's not way noticeable, but you can see blue, some streaks right here where, I don't know, something got it to come off. But this is pretty much all over the car. So it is cleaned. I didn't actually realize that this kit, I used that one earlier today, but I bought this one specifically for the 8.9, and this comes with some stuff called Clean Slate. It's supposed to strip all the wax and crap off of it. I've never waxed it, so not really a point in doing it. And it also comes with this stuff here. I don't know if I'll use this or not, to be honest with you. Here's our, they call this the OG clay bar. Oh, last but not least, this was in my hand, my other hand. Clay luber, which this is supposed to be your glide to go across it. Yeah. All right, this is way stickier than the mother stuff. I'll tell you that right now. For Pete's sake. Well, I think it's coming off, because look at that blue. Oh, beautiful. I'm so happy. I was literally telling the car I'm sorry. Oh my goodness, that. Oh man. Oh my goodness, that feels so much better. Holy crap, I'm so happy. Let's get you out of here. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Can you hear this? Come over here where we just finished. Just like going across glass. Unfortunately, the sunlight kind of sucks right now. That's all I got. Oh my heavens. Let's get this done.
A few inches later.
I got this side here done. And you want to say that there wasn't blue paint on this car? Oh my goodness. I mean, I had it parked over here and it still got blue paint on it. It's unbelievable. I did want to show this, so hopefully this can pick up the sound since you can't see it too hot, but I'll get close. I have not done up here. So that'll tell you just how much this stuff is taken off. This is still the same chunk that I started with. I just, after every swipe, I kind of knead it and bring it to a clean spot. Unbelievable stuff. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can definitely feel a difference when it's broke free. And all the crap is off the paint. I can definitely feel that it just glides so much easier. Well, needless to say, I am very, very happy with the results. As with most times with this car, the camera just never does it justice. I've had people that have seen it on my channel come and tell me that this looks a lot better in person. And I agree. I've always known that. But we're done. It's all clay barred. As a synopsis, we used the chemical guys on the 8.9. We used the mothers on the Escape here. Now the Escape was not nearly as contaminated as the 8.9 was. So let's get that out of the road. But honestly, that really turned out very, very well. And this kit, the mother's kit, was about $22. I forget the price of the chemical, guys, because I've had it for a very long time. It's just been waiting for me to get off my butt and use it, because I knew that was going to need it. This video was never intended to be like a comparison video, but it kind of sort of turned into that. I will give you my honest opinion on both of these. I'm not paid at all. I bought both of these kits myself. Nobody's asked my opinion, but I'm giving it anyway. Let's start out by saying both systems are very capable. I've never used clay bar before. This is my first go around. I think it's easier to tell when the paint is clean with this. This is also a stickier clay than this one. This kit is a lot more complete because it gives you the clean slate soap and it gives you some butter to put on it at the end. It's a tough call overall, but if I was, let's just say that if I was gonna do the 8.9 again, I'd use chemical, guys, again. Thanks for watching another episode of the 8.9 Garage. It's been my pleasure to have you guys around. I don't know if it's coming through on the camera or not, but there's freaking cotton going all over in here. I'm just getting past some allergy issues, and they're just gonna start up again because these stupid cotton trees are letting loose. Anyway, peace out.